Alright, here's day one of the front gate remodel project. I have some steel gate panels with some cyclone fence, metal fence. I'm going to build a frame around it and close it, add some wood to it, and there's some decorative trim. The same with the side right there. Got the saw, got a bunch of cedar boards. I'm going to get started. A couple hours later and I'm closing in the main field. Got to finish this one, build the frame around it, finish it off with some nice trim, and then work on adding the false front to this fence over here, which probably that'll be tomorrow. So this is going pretty well. Well, I'm pretty much done for today. Got the main gates done. I may end up putting a center or slightly offset trim board in the middle. I'm not sure. I definitely have to get something to cap off the top, which I got to run back to Home Depot again tomorrow. And then I have to clean all this up, and it's going to get a wooden facade there too. And I've got a new address placard right there. Got some vines growing through and just generally just kind of messy. So I'm gonna cut all that off and clean it up, and then I've got black iron trim coming, some fake hinges for the sides, and some clavos, which are the kind of the big nail heads. And then this whole thing's gonna get stained. Well, it's got to get stained before the hardware goes on, so it's progress. Well, the wood is all done and it's ready for some stain. I'm gonna go ahead and get this stained up 2 coats. Hopefully I've got enough time before the sun goes down.